All right, let's look at the homework 11.7, problem number 8. So let's look at this series. All right, so it looks like you have a whole bunch of things multiplied together. So it's a great setup for a ratio test. All right, so let's try a ratio test. All right, so we're going to have a limit as n approaches infinity. All right, then you have a big absolute value. All right, so we have an plus 1. So what we need to do is we're going to have all these factors, 1 times 3 times 5 times and so on, and then you have a 2n minus 1. Then the next one is going to be 2n plus 1. So it's a 2n plus 2 minus 1. So it's a 2n plus 1. So that'll be the next factor, right? And then denominator would be 8 times 17 times 26 times, then and last two is 9n minus 1. Next one would be 9n plus 9 minus 1, so it's going to be plus 8. All right, then divide by an, so which is so this is an, right? So oops, so this is the original guy, an. So we just have to take the reciprocal and multiply. So we're going to have, all right, so you have 8 times 17 times 26 times and so on. Then you have a 9n minus 1. Then you have a 1 times 3 times 5 times, and then you're going to have 2n minus 1. All right, so we have that. All right, then we can cancel a bunch of things, right? So we can cancel, right? So 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, and all the way, actually all the way to that guy. All right, so 8, 17, 16, all the way to 9n minus 1, 8, 7, 26, and 9n minus 1. All right, then what's left is just only two guys here, right? So this guy and that guy. All right, then you have, so this is going to be just the limit as n approaches infinity. All right, we can actually get rid of the absolute value sign because nothing is really negative here. All right, so you have a 9n plus 8. All right, then we can just use the usual trick. We can just divide top by n, divide the bottom by n. Then we'll get a limit as n approaches infinity. We get 2 plus 1 over n. All right, so you have a 9 plus 8 over n. And you see that 1 over n approaches 0 because denominator gets larger and larger. Same deal here. All right, then this means that the limit is going to be 2 over 9, which is definitely less than 1, which means that this guy is absolutely convergent. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so this guy is convergent. All right, so let's submit for testing. All right, looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.